You guys want a hamburger? You guys are really ready for a burger tonight. We're gonna add a little bit of rice. A little bit of num-nums. Yeah, we're gonna really add some num-nums. This is gonna be delicious. You guys are really excited for this. You guys excited about that? Days. All right, we got our main food container here. 1 scoop. And 2 scoops. And 1 scoop. And 2 scoops. And we got the special renal food here. And then we get 1 scoop for Daisy. Daisy gets a scoop of the regular. And then we just give the other dogs a little treatsies. Just like that. We give them a little bit of food. And then we put some water in it. Daisy's very excited about it. She's got to drink the water first to get to the burger, so she's not happy about it. Daisy, you're really excited about that burger. You really love that burger. Yeah, you really want to get it. Yeah, that's really yummy. Yeah, you're really going to love it. Yeah, you really are going to love it. Lights, camera, action. Yeah, you really love that. That's very deliciousness. Daisy, it's a burger. Are you going to eat it? Daisy, you have to eat it. Are you going to not take a bite of it? Well, she's taking a while to get to it. I don't know why she's not. Oh, there we go. The num-num. See, there's a burger. Yeah, that's a burger. Oh, there it goes. There we go. Well, you really like that burger. Jordan did not lick any of the water. She took the burger out of there first. Jordan, you really couldn't wait for that burger. And Kaya's waiting for her